Have you been putting off a home purchase because you think you need 20% down? If so, you're really not alone. In fact, that's probably the biggest misconception I hear from Idaho homebuyers. People come to me all the time and say, Jerry, I'd love to buy a house, but I don't have an extra $80,000 sitting in the bank. And I get it. If you're looking for a $400,000 house, 20% down is $80,000. That's a lot of money. But here's the good news. Most Idaho home buyers do not need 20% down. In fact, some qualified buyers may be able to purchase a home with as little as $500 out of their pocket. Now, before you get too excited, every buyer is different. Your income, credit, assets, debts, and the property you're buying all matters. But let's talk about some of the programs that can make home ownership much more affordable than people realize. First, let's talk about the VA loan. If you're an eligible veteran, active duty service member, or qualified surviving spouse, a VA loan may allow you to purchase with no money down. That's right, zero money, zip. Plus, VA loans don't require monthly mortgage insurance, which can help keep your payments even lower. Now, let's talk about USDA loans. A lot of people hear about USDA loans and think farmland, but many areas outside Boise, Meridian, Napa qualify for USDA loans. They also offer zero down payments for eligible buyers in eligible areas. Then there's Idaho Housing. This is the one program that surprises most people. Idaho Housing offers down payment and closing cost assistance for eligible buyers. In fact, Idaho Housing even states that home ownership may be possible for as little as $500 out of your pocket. And in 2026, Idaho Housing brought back its bond program, creating another affordable finance option for eligible buyers. Now, let me tell you the biggest mistakes I see buyers make. It's not credit, it's not income, and it's not even down payment. The biggest mistake is not having a written budget. For many people, focus entirely on savings for down payment without knowing monthly payments can actually fit their lifestyle. A home isn't just a mortgage payment. It's taxes, insurance, maintenance, savings, and everyday living expenses. A written budget helps you understand what you can afford before you even go shopping. The bottom line here is, don't assume you need 20% down. Don't assume you need tens of thousands of dollars to save. And don't assume you are not ready. You might be a lot closer to buying a home than you really think. If you like to find out how much money you really need to buy a home, reach out to First Choice Mortgage. We review your situation, explain your options, and help you build a plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask questions below. And always, make it a great day.